Hi everyone, and welcome to Easy English Learning. I'm so excited to have you here. My mission is simple: to share tips, insights, and real-life experiences that can help you, e.g., level up your skills, boost your career, or balance work and life. So if you're ready to specific benefit or goal, e.g., master your productivity or build your dream career, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Agenda.
Agenda.
Agenda. The manager set the agenda for the team meeting.
The manager set the agenda for the team meeting.
Assignment.
Assignment.
Assignment. I need to complete this assignment by tomorrow.
I need to complete this assignment by tomorrow.
Attendance.
Attendance.
Attendance. Attendance at the workshop is mandatory.
Attendance at the workshop is mandatory.
Backup.
Backup.
Backup. Always keep a backup of your files.
Always keep a backup of your files.
Break room.
Break room.
Break room. Employees gathered in the break room for coffee.
Employees gathered in the break room for coffee.
Budget.
Budget.
Budget. We need to stick to the budget this quarter.
We need to stick to the budget this quarter.
Cabinet.
Cabinet.
Cabinet. The files are stored in the cabinet.
The files are stored in the cabinet.
Client.
Client.
Client. Our biggest client is visiting next week.
Our biggest client is visiting next week.
Colleague.
Colleague.
Colleague. My colleague helped me finish the report.
My colleague helped me finish the report.
Conference.
Conference.
Conference. The annual sales conference is scheduled for May.
The annual sales conference is scheduled for May.
Deadline.
Deadline.
Deadline. The deadline for submitting the project is next Monday.
The deadline for submitting the project is next Monday.
Desk.
Desk.
Desk. Please organize your desk before leaving.
Please organize your desk before leaving.
Document.
Document.
Document. I emailed the document to the HR department.
I emailed the document to the HR department.
Employee.
Employee.
Employee. The company has over 500 employees worldwide.
The company has over 500 employees worldwide.
Feedback.
Feedback.
Feedback. Your feedback on the proposal is valuable.
Your feedback on the proposal is valuable.
Folder.
Folder.
Folder. The presentation is saved in the project folder.
The presentation is saved in the project folder.
HR Human Resources.
HR Human Resources.
HR Human Resources. HR handles all employee concerns.
HR handles all employee concerns.
Internet.
Internet.
Internet. The internet connection in the office is very fast.
The internet connection in the office is very fast.
Keyboard.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. My keyboard needs to be replaced.
My keyboard needs to be replaced.
Meeting.
Meeting.
Meeting. We have a team meeting at 3 p.m.
We have a team meeting at 3 p.m.
Laptop.
Laptop.
Laptop. My laptop crashed during the presentation.
My laptop crashed during the presentation.
Monitor.
Monitor.
Monitor. The monitor resolution needs adjustment.
The monitor resolution needs adjustment.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse. The mouse is not working properly.
The mouse is not working properly.
Printer.
Printer.
Printer. The printer is out of paper again.
The printer is out of paper again.
Scanner.
Scanner.
Scanner. Please scan these documents for the report.
Please scan these documents for the report.
Stapler.
Stapler.
Stapler. Can I borrow your stapler?
Can I borrow your stapler?
Projector.
Projector.
Projector. The projector is set up in the conference room.
The projector is set up in the conference room.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard. The whiteboard is full of notes from yesterday's meeting.
The whiteboard is full of notes from yesterday's meeting.
Pen.
Pen.
Pen. I always keep a pen in my pocket.
I always keep a pen in my pocket.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Notebook. I noted down the points in my notebook.
I noted down the points in my notebook.
Calculator.
Calculator.
Calculator. Use the calculator to verify these figures.
Use the calculator to verify these figures.
Phone.
Phone.
Phone. Please answer the phone when I'm out.
Please answer the phone when I'm out.
Chair.
Chair.
Chair. This chair is very comfortable for long working hours.
This chair is very comfortable for long working hours.
Table.
Table.
Table. The table in the meeting room is large enough for 10 people.
The table in the meeting room is large enough for 10 people.
Headphones.
Headphones.
Headphones. Use headphones for online meetings.
Use headphones for online meetings.
Paperclip.
Paperclip.
Paperclip. A paperclip can hold these documents together.
A paperclip can hold these documents together.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Envelope. The invitation was sent in a sealed envelope.
The invitation was sent in a sealed envelope.
Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Clipboard. The supervisor carried a clipboard during the inspection.
The supervisor carried a clipboard during the inspection.
Shredder.
Shredder.
Shredder. Use the shredder to dispose of confidential documents.
Use the shredder to dispose of confidential documents.
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes.
Sticky notes. Write important reminders on sticky notes.
Write important reminders on sticky notes.
CEO, Chief Executive Officer.
CEO, Chief Executive Officer.
CEO, Chief Executive Officer. The CEO announced a new business strategy.
The CEO announced a new business strategy.
Manager.
Manager.
Manager. The manager is responsible for team performance.
The manager is responsible for team performance.
Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Supervisor. The supervisor monitored our progress closely.
The supervisor monitored our progress closely.
Intern.
Intern.
Intern. The intern is learning quickly.
The intern is learning quickly.
Team leader.
Team leader.
Team leader. The team leader assigned tasks to everyone.
The team leader assigned tasks to everyone.
Receptionist.
Receptionist.
Receptionist. The receptionist greeted the clients warmly.
The receptionist greeted the clients warmly.
Accountant.
Accountant.
Accountant. The accountant finalized the financial statements.
The accountant finalized the financial statements.
Consultant.
Consultant.
Consultant. We hired a consultant for project planning.
We hired a consultant for project planning.
Designer.
Designer.
Designer. The designer created a new company logo.
The designer created a new company logo.
Engineer.
Engineer.
Engineer. The engineer solved the technical issue quickly.
The engineer solved the technical issue quickly.